Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the process of creating an account and trading futures on Bitget, one of the major global cryptocurrency futures trading platforms, in a clear and structured way. Please follow along step by step at a pace that suits you. If you sign up through the link provided in the description below, you will be eligible for a 50% trading fee discount, 20% cashback rewards, and additional promotional bonuses. For this reason, I highly recommend registering through that link. First, let's start the account creation process. Once you click the link, you will be redirected to the Bitget registration page. For your login ID, you can use either your email address or mobile number. When creating your password, ensure it is at least 8 characters long, and includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, you will find a section to enter a referral code. In that field, type in *3. By entering *3, you can receive a 50% fee discount, 20% cashback, and extra promotional rewards on Bitget. After filling in all the required details, agree to the terms and conditions listed below. Then click on the Create Account button. Follow the instructions shown by the icons at the top right and select the images displayed on your screen. Enter the verification code sent to your email or phone. After completing this step, your Bitget account will be successfully created. Next, I will walk you through the KYC identity verification process. To deposit funds, withdraw assets, and start trading on Bitget, KYC verification is required. Since this process involves facial recognition, we will proceed using a mobile device. First, install the Bitget app on your smartphone. After the installation is finished, launch the application. Tap the Get Started button to proceed. Log in using the account credentials you created earlier on your PC. After logging in, tap the Verify button located in the center of the screen to begin KYC. A message will appear stating that the verification process usually takes about 5 minutes. Tap Verify Now at the bottom of the screen. First, select your nationality. Then choose your current country or region of residence. Next, select the type of identification document you will use. Choose the document you currently possess. In this example, I will proceed with a passport. Tap Next to move forward. Prepare your identification document. Then tap I'm ready. For the document capture step, select Take a picture. If you are using a passport, place it within the frame and capture the information page. Afterward, proceed to the facial recognition step. Align your face within the frame and follow the on-screen instructions, such as nodding your head or blinking. Once this step is completed, your KYC application will be submitted. The review process is typically completed within about 1 hour. Shortly after, you will receive a notification confirming that your verification has been approved. Next, I will explain how to set up two-factor authentication. Please return to the Bitget website on your PC. Hover your mouse over the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Security from the drop-down menu. Now, we will enable two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator. Click the Setup button next to Google Authenticator. The Google Authenticator configuration page will then appear. Download the Google Authenticator app from your mobile device. After you download and install the application, open it. Tap the plus icon at the bottom right. Then select Scan a QR code. Use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on the Bitget website. After scanning, a 6-digit code labeled Bitget will appear in the Google Authenticator app. Now enter this 6-digit code into the Google Authenticator code field on the Bitget website. Then click Submit to finalize the setup. Once this step is finished, two-factor authentication will be successfully activated. Second, I will walk you through how to deposit funds into your Bitget account. There are several ways to add funds to your Bitget account using cryptocurrency. In this tutorial, I will mainly cover the peer-to-peer trading method. This approach is convenient as it involves no transaction fees and is simple to follow. First, move your cursor to the wallet icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will notice different types of wallets displayed. Among these, Spot Wallet is used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. On the other hand, Futures Wallet is specifically used for futures trading. To proceed with the deposit, select the Spot Wallet. Next, click on the Buy Crypto button located at the upper right side of the page. You will then be presented with multiple options to purchase cryptocurrency. From these options, choose peer-to-peer trading. Alternatively, by hovering over the Buy Crypto button in the upper left corner, you can directly access the peer-to-peer trading page. To begin purchasing cryptocurrency, first switch the interface to Buy mode. Next, select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. In most cases, Tether USDT is commonly used due to its stable value and high liquidity. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you plan to buy. Then, choose the fiat currency you will use for the payment. After that, select your preferred payment method. A list of available sellers will appear on the screen. Here is an important tip to keep in mind. It is recommended to choose sellers with a high number of completed trades and a strong completion rate. Select your preferred seller, then click the Buy button. Before proceeding, carefully review the seller's terms and conditions. Some sellers may require identity verification before proceeding. Now, enter the purchase amount once again. Also verify the payment method you selected. Then click the Buy USDT button. The seller's payment details will be displayed on the screen. Before making the payment, carefully read the instructions provided in the seller's chat. Follow the seller's payment instructions carefully. Then complete the bank transfer. Once the payment is completed, return to the Bitget page. Next, click Pay to notify the seller that the payment has been sent. After a short waiting period, the seller will confirm the payment. Once the confirmation is complete, the purchased cryptocurrency will be transferred to your Spot wallet. Third, I will walk you through how to trade futures on Bitget. To get started with futures trading on Bitget, you must first transfer your funds from the Spot wallet to the Futures wallet. To transfer your assets, while in the Spot account, click the Transfer button located at the top right corner. Set the transfer direction from Spot to USDT and Futures, then choose the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Click Confirm. Once confirmed, your funds will be successfully transferred to the Futures wallet. Now, let's proceed to the Futures trading process. Move your cursor over the Futures menu in the top navigation bar. Then choose USDT M Futures. The Futures trading interface will appear on your screen. By clicking the button in the upper left corner, you can choose the cryptocurrency you want to trade. On the right side of the screen, within the Trade panel, you will see various trading settings. If you click this option, you can adjust the margin mode. Isolated mode assigns a fixed margin amount to a single position. Cross mode uses your entire available balance as margin. For beginners, isolated mode is generally considered a safer choice. By clicking the adjacent button, you can set your desired leverage level. Leverage can be adjusted up to 150x. While higher leverage can increase potential profits, it also greatly increases the risk of loss. For beginners, it is recommended to use lower leverage. Below that, you can select the order type. A limit order allows you to set a specific price for your order. A market order executes immediately at the current market price. In this section, you can check the margin currently available for trading. Here, enter the price and quantity for your order. Finally, by clicking this button, you can choose your position direction. If you expect the price to rise, select Open Long. If you expect the price to fall, select Open Short. After your order is executed, click the Positions tab at the bottom of the screen. You will then be able to view detailed information about your open position. Here, row represents your current return on equity. The estimated liquidation price indicates the price at which your position will be liquidated. If the market reaches this price, your position will be automatically closed. The entry price is the price at which your position was opened. The mark price is the reference price used by the system. By clicking the pencil icon next to margin, you can adjust the margin allocated to your position. If you select the entire TPSL option, you can set both take profit and stop loss at the same time. Finally, click the Close button to exit your position. Enter your desired closing price in the close price field. Then enter the amount you wish to close in the close quantity field. Click Close to exit the position at your specified price. If you select Flash Close, the position will be closed instantly at the market price. Click Confirm. Your position will then be successfully closed. Today, we went through the entire process of creating an account on Bitget and trading futures in a clear and beginner-friendly manner. To receive the trading feed discount, be sure to sign up through the link provided in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like. Thank you very much for watching.